Samsung company is working on a new smartphone under its A series, which it is going to launch in the market with the name, Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. But now, even before its launch, its full features and price have also been leaked on the internet. If you also want to buy this phone, then watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's get started. Features of Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. Display. Samsung Galaxy A56 phone is going to get a 6.85-inch Super AMOLED display, which will support 120 Hz refresh rate, and 290 Hz touch sampling rate. On which features like in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP68 rating can also be seen. Camera setup. This phone will have a triple rear camera for photography. According to the leaks, the back panel of Galaxy A56 will have 108 megapixel main sensor with OIS support. It also have 12 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and 5 megapixel macro sensor. On the other hand, this great smartphone can be given a 32 megapixel front camera for taking selfies, making reels, and video calling. Processor. Talking about the operating system, this Samsung phone will be launched on Android 14. For processing, this phone can be provided with Exynos 2300 octa-core processor running at 3.09 GHz clock speed. Battery backup. For power backup, a 5500 mAh battery can be provided in the Galaxy A56 5G phone. To charge this big battery faster, the smartphone can be equipped with 85-watt fast charging technology. And in this you will get to see Type-C version 2 charging socket. Price or launch date. According to leaks, Samsung Galaxy A56 phone will be launched in two variants, whose base variant price can be around $520. And if we talk about the launch date, it can be introduced in a few months.